guys, this is NJ. Today we'll continue our series of fingers and discuss middle finger in detail. So like the way I say, chirognomy is the study of the structure of your hands. Your hand, the shape and structure of your hand tells a great deal about your individual nature, your inherent personality traits. So you do not need to be an expert just to look at the marking and lines of the hand, which is known as chiromancy, and which is majorly used for the future and fortune telling purposes. Just the structure of the hands, which is chirognomy, can be used to determine the nature of someone. So now comes the part we have already discussed, index finger, which is associated with planet Jupiter and is responsible for the egoism, ambition and leadership traits in an individual. We have we have studied all the different markings, patterns, fingertip shapes in detail. So now comes the middle finger, which is associated with planet Saturn, and middle finger represents your wisdom in this life, your judgment analysis skills, your common sense, the test of the life, your analytical knowledge. In its negative aspect, if found and afflicted, could also lead someone to melancholiness, depression and just foolhardiness. But if in right now we are just studying about the basic traits which are associated with this middle finger. And like the way I always say, like the way in astrology, just one sign placement and the planet placement never tells everything about the outcome. You need to have a complete analysis where the planet is placed, in which Rashi, zodiac sign it is placed, in which nakshatra it is placed, which all planets are expecting it. Same is the case which implies on palmistry. So I am just telling you element, I am just teaching you element wise element. At the end you need to consider all the taught attributes, and then you need to land into one conclusion. And trust me on this, just by looking at someone's palm, you could even draw a complete horoscope of the person, the natal chart of a person. All what is required is a lot of practice and the blessing of your guru. So now we'll discuss, in our last video we have discussed what will happen when you will find different fingertips. So every finger has its associated traits, but how these traits will get manifested in the outer world, that gets determined the shape of the fingertip. So if you are a leader, what kind of leader you are. If you are an artist, whether you are a self-centered and money-centered artist, or you are just want to produce a good work and are more or you are like more inclined towards getting the fame. So all these traits get determined by the tip of the finger, which we have already discussed in the last video. Now we will discuss what will happen and what remain to the traits and life of an individual in when different fingerprints would be found at the tip of the middle finger. So the first fingerprint pattern which is found is loop. So let's say if you will spot a loop in at the tip of the middle finger, so like this. So these people, my way of teaching is a blend of what has been found true by the medical science and the research of palmists across the centuries, and also what is written in our ancient Vedic scriptures in Hast Samudik Shastra. So what has been the traits, and which I have also found true in my own research of hundreds of hands. So when you will find a loop at the tip of the middle finger, so these people, what I have seen in my own experience, these people get very good support of the opposite gender, be it their own wife, be it in terms of their neighbors, be it in terms of their colleagues at the work. So these people remain very popular with opposite gender and also get very good support of opposite gender in their life. Next comes the second fingerprint pattern, which is our arch, which is also known as Parvat in Hindi. So see, I have, like the way I have already discussed, that I have already discussed with you people that this is arch. So I have already discussed with people that Saturn is a slow moving and rigid planet, which is a discipline loving planet. So when you on a planet which already represents slowness and discipline and rigidness, and at the tip of it you will find a fingerprint pattern which also represents the same thing. So these people would remain, this slowness would take precedence in the life of these individual. So these people would get very slow success in their life, though these people remain to be very hardworking, very punctual, very practical. But in terms of attaining their success, these people have to work very harder as compared to other people. Then comes the third fingerprint pattern, which is Vole, which is also known as chakra in Hindi. So in case if you will find this kind of concentric or spiral chakra at the tip of the finger, so you know these people would remain to be, it's a good sign when found on the middle finger. So these people would remain to be very honest, very truth loving, and these people would also get benefit of legacy and inheritance in their life. And these people always like, these people take a lot of interest in your ancient articles and antique items and all the iron articles. And lastly, if these people get into speculation of any kind, these people kind of find very hard luck in it. So these are the traits which are associated with these three fingerprint patterns, and this remain to be the life of an individual who will have this kind of fingerprint pattern at the tip of the middle finger. So I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.